A research review of the environmental effects of pesticide use and ways in which it affects the local environment.
Hello everyone, my name is Arisha and this is Hapni and Priya. We work together to develop Birds at Sea, our innovation for TeenTech in the category Energy and Environment.
Our invention is a drone resembling the bird and it helps get rid of our ocean rubbish.
We aim to save marine life and help the environment.
Bye!
My product, the disaster-free dome, will reverse the massive destruction and loss of lives caused by floods, hurricanes and earthquakes in developing countries. It will be a cheap, versatile product that will prevent people from suffering injuries or even death in the face of a natural disaster. It will be affordable and versatile, especially for regions in third world countries.
Hello, my name is Jodie.
Hello, my name is Alex.
And we are
Eco-Sublime from Hadley Learning Community. Our project is preparatory defence and filtration against flooding.
We hope to save lives. Thank you.
I'm Isabella.
And I am Tiffany. We are from Blanchline College in Guernsey.
I'm Finn. I now go to Long Stratton High School in England, and together we're Recycle & Co.
The Recycler is a smart, sustainably powered public litter bin
that sorts, compacts and distributes litter for minimal waste and maximal recycling.
Recycler, the rubbish idea that will change the world.